Let's avert imminent disaster by checking assignments to make sure that all of the assignments fit into the percentages in the syllabus. And I'm not going to download the syllabus right now to show you that, but I know what these assignment values should be. My lab and mastering online homework is supposed to be 30%. And the next question would be, is everything in this section my lab and mastering stuff? Well, it is numerically ordered. That helps. Yes, everything looks good there. I have another section, quizzes, discussions, and the like. That's 10%. That's a torso model lab practical, a quiz getting ready for respondus lockdown, and a writing assignment. That's 10%. Yes, midterm is 30%. Final is 30%. That looks good. You might even go through and quickly just do a quick look at all of the dates and make sure that this looks legit. You know, the date should be later in the semester, the higher we get in the numbered assignments. So that looks pretty good. They're kind of in clusters. That looks relatively good. The reason I say this is that if you actually had something deployed in a section where it did not belong, then in the end, when your grades came out, they would not be correct. And oh my goodness, that would not be the right time to figure this out. So right about the time you deploy this, maybe even before you deploy it, is the right time to look at assignments. Make sure that everything adds up to 100%. Bueno, bueno, bueno.